Here's our CoinDesk Bitcoin News Roundup. Breaking news for you. As you can see on your screen, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is answering questions at a news conference after the U.S. Central Bank announced its fourth consecutive rate hike by 75 basis points in a bid to tame inflation, but also signaled a potential slowdown in the pace of increases. Take a listen to what Powell told reporters earlier about the move.
At some point, as I've said in the last two press conferences, it will become appropriate to slow the pace of increases as we approach the level of interest rates that will be sufficiently restrictive to bring inflation down to our 2% goal. There is significant uncertainty around that level of interest rates. Even so, we still have some ways to go, and incoming data since our last meeting suggests that the ultimate level of interest rates will be higher than previously expected.
Bitcoin spiking briefly after the Fed's announcement. Powell also reiterated the Fed's plan to, quote, stay the course until the job is done. Meanwhile, a rogue actor who goes by the name Barack on Twitter has been disrupting Bitcoin's Lightning Network, the network's scaling and payments layer, apparently by creating a non-standard Bitcoin transaction that prevented users from opening new Lightning channels between nodes. The bug was quickly patched while putting to question how Bitcoin should handle bugs and exploits in the future. Bitcoin miner Iris Energy saying some of its mining equipment is not producing enough cash to meet its financing obligations. The firm also saying Wednesday that the equipment has a market value, quote, well below the principal amount of the relevant loans, and that it is in talks with the lender. Shares falling almost 12% on the NASDAQ.